19,000 is a lot. It can buy a full school pack and healthy snacks. So, Minister, because you care, I am thankful for me share.
The government's Because We Care Cash Grant program has officially kicked off in Region 3 with close to $400 million to be distributed. Led by Minister of Education Honorable Priya Manichand, a team visited Wales Primary and Potentia and Endeavour Commons secondary schools. In brief remarks, the Education Minister reiterated her stance that this cash grant is not a stunt by the government.
We are saying every single child, and you are going to be the living proof, the walking proof that that is what we did. That we didn't do anything discriminatory. And so the people who are trying to introduce that bit of ugliness into the program, let's rebuke them. Because it is not true, and you will walk around this village and this country as living proof that it's not true.
Meanwhile, advisor to the Minister of Health, Dr. Leslie Ramsamy, visited the Good Fortune Primary School and West Demerara and Verdenhoop secondary schools. He told the gathering that the Because We Care initiative is exactly how a government should function in the interest of its people.
Today I am delighted to be part of this program. We believe that the education and health of our people, and particularly our children, must be at the center of our development program. This year, over $60 billion has been invested in the education sector. That shows a government with a clear vision. And let me say this, that we don't believe that whenever we give people money, it is a waste of money. We believe that every time we do cash transfers, whether it's for education purposes, for maternity purposes, because we need to help people respond to COVID or to some crisis, that it's money that is worked. Yeah.
Dr. Ramsamy noted that the cash grants, along with the online scholarships, are more evidence of the government's commitment to education. DPI spoke to some parents and guardians who collected the cash grants.
It feels so nice because it can help me to buy a tablet for my son, so he could able to do his schoolwork on the net. And I feel grateful, and I thank the government for looking out for poor people.
It's very, very good for one child going to school, and it helped a lot. But I think the care enough assist me in a very good way for my child. COVID was a serious thing, and work was very tough, and we try and we struggle and whatever. I understand we go through. And I'm a carpenter, so I get in and out work and so right. And work was okay. Not to the best, but I am trying with it.
I would say that I'm very much appreciative because it's a very good initiative. You know, knowing the struggle and the times that we are facing right now because of COVID-19. So I'm very much appreciative, and I'd like to say thank you to the government.
I feel great about it, and I thank the government for it because, number one, I'm going to use the money to put on the internet because I don't have internet for my children. Them, right? And I'm going to buy a tablet so they can get to do their schoolwork even in our school and open. Right? And the rest will be spending on them for school thing.